With the Minisforum UM890 Pro in the office, you can perfectly handle urgent work.
It features 2.5G dual network ports, DP, HDMI interfaces, and more. Combined with the Windows 11 system, it's ready to use right out of the box. The AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS processor provides a more stable operating state. And with the DDR5 5600 dual-channel memory, you can switch between multiple tasks in real time. The Oculink interface ensures high fidelity and efficiency. The 890 Mortania Nugias Pro, the top stream in the office.